This is We Wish You a Merry Christmas in the key of C, and as always you can click the description of the video below, and I do have the printable chord sheet that you can print out, follow along with me. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords that are in this song. Sometimes carols really try to cram as much goodness as we can into one little song, so I've tried to strip some of that away. So we have C, F, G, and then we have a D, E, E minor, and A minor. So there's a lot of chords in this song, but let me strip it down to the basics for you, okay? So we have a C chord, which is C, E, G. Okay, F chord, F, A, C. Okay, move up one note, and there's our G major. G, B, D. Okay, then we also have a D chord, which is D, F sharp, A. Okay, it makes this triangle shape. If you hold that shape in your hand, just move up one note. There's our E major chord. E, G sharp, B. Okay, when you play the E minor, you just move the third finger down this half step. So it sounds like this, which is a nice minor sounding chord. It's made up of E, G, B. Okay, then our other eerie chord is A minor, but it sounds beautiful in this song. A, C, E, okay? All right, so that's a lot. Let's just review. We have C chord, F, G, and then our A minor is right next door. Maybe I didn't show you that. Okay, then we have D chord, E, E minor. All right. So let's take a look at the left hand. Since there's a lot going on in the right hand, let's take a look at just stripping the left hand down to just single notes. Single C with our C chord. Okay, then F with just F in the bass. G, G single note. A minor to A. Okay, then we have our D, and you're just going to move your thumb open to this D finger here, thumb. And then when you do play the E, I do stretch my thumb open again. And then E minor, you're still going to play this E single note, okay? All right, so this is written in 3/4 times. So we're going to play a rhythm I call together, right, right. Together, right, right. Together, right, right. So if we're on the C position, we could sound like this. Together, right, right. Together, right. Kind of like a waltz. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now you might have caught that from that F, G, C, I didn't do together, right, right the whole time. So our F and our G, they shared that 3 beats. So they went 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's just that nice marching rhythm. And when you're going through this, maybe just play your right hand by itself and then the left hand by itself, and then bring the 2 hands together to kind of simplify it for you, okay? All right, so let's look at the beginning of the first verse that I just went through. We wish you a Merry F chord Christmas. We move to the D and then open our thumb here. Wish you a Merry G chord Christmas. We E chord, stretch that thumb open here. Wish you a Merry A minor Christmas, and here's that tricky rhythm. Happy New Year, good tidings we G chord bring to you and your G chord kin. Good C tidings for, here's that E minor, so let's stretch that thumb open in our left hand, move the E minor up here, Christmas, and you could do the F here if you want. Happy New Year. Notice that again, that Happy New Year shares that 3 beats. Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy, F chord, pudding. Bring us some figgy, G chord, pudding. Bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. All right, so the last line of all of these verses and even our outro, you are going to have that F and the G share those 3 beats, right? Together, right, and then move to the G chord. So it'd be together, right, G, C. I'm going to repeat that. So the last line here, and a cup of good cheer. And you'll see that on verse 3 and the outro, okay? So there's a lot of repetition in here. So you're going to notice that we do C, F, D, G. In the verses, they're going to be the same. So you can just kind of notice some similarities with that. This is a really fun one. Maybe go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Here you go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Bring us some figgy pudding. Bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. Bring it out here. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas